It's a claim we've heard repeatedly from the governor and the top public health official, saying the spread of COVID-19 in Arizona is because of private gatherings. ABC 15 finding there doesn't appear to be one graph or chart that has this statewide data. Today, the Department of Health referring to many national reports and CDC articles referencing small gatherings. ABC 15's Nicole Grigg spent the day looking for just where this information is coming from.
If you look at where our spread is happening from right now, it's really happening from gatherings in private settings.
This is not the first time we've heard the governor or the top public health director talk about cases and private gatherings. This was back in October.
And one of the things that we're finding is that we're seeing even small gatherings are sufficient for people to be able to spread the disease.
The governor insisting this week that it's where the spread is coming from.
Where the spread is coming from is private gatherings of larger groups. Those are the facts.
And during a press conference on Wednesday, a reporter asked where this data is from.
Yeah, we'll get it to you.
We put in a request with the governor's office for that data, as well as different health departments across the state. Pima County putting out this press release talking about their data for the past 30 days. Although it doesn't pinpoint where someone actually contracted the virus, of the people they did contact trace, 61% attended work, 51 or about half made contact with someone who was positive. Over a quarter say they went to a bar or restaurant, 16% traveled, and only 15% say they attended a private gathering with 10 or more people. But what we don't know is how many of these people who tested positive attended smaller gatherings, less than 10 people, with people outside of their home. We put in a request to talk to Pima County about the contact tracing, but the health director and 11 of their employees have tested positive for COVID-19. ABC News obtained this week's White House task force update that is sent to each state, and it talks about private events, but it doesn't include numbers or state-specific information. The report says many Americans continue to gather indoors, creating private spreading events outside of public spaces, but it also highlights the need to do more, saying mitigation efforts must increase, and they go on to say there needs to be an increase in physical distancing through significant reduction in capacity or closure in public and private indoor space, including restaurants and bars. The governor not following the advice, instead insisting,
I'm saying we're doing everything we can to be as effective as possible.
In Phoenix, Nicole Grigg, ABC 15, Arizona.